Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 5 of class 7 subject computer graphics in QBasic 64. QBasic or QB64 is a computer language which is simple to use and learn. It allows us to draw different shapes using special statements. It helps to fill different colors or draw colored outlines of a shape. Graphic commands. Programs can be written in QBasic to display graphics and play sound. There are many graphic commands in BASIC. Some of the basic commands are screen, color, line, box, circle, draw, preset. Screen command. A computer monitor or a TV screen is made up of small dots of color called pixels. Pixel is the short form of picture element. The amount of pixels in a picture determines its resolution of display. High resolution means more numbers of pixels per inch. BASIC provides different screen modes based on the desired resolution. Each screen mode has a code. Screen 0 is the default screen with text only mode. It does not support graphics. In order to do graphics, we need to set the screen to graphic mode. There are 13 screen graphic modes in QBasic. Each mode has a different amount of dots across and down, providing different resolution. Screen 12. Screen 12 is basic highest resolution screen. It contains 640 dots across and 480 dots down to draw, that is about 300,000 dots in total. Screen 3, Screen 4, Screen 5, Screen 6 are not supported by some versions of QBasic. Color command. This statement is used to change the color of the text or graphics. Color code. Code that sets the color. Line command. This command must have a starting point and an ending point. It needs two sets of numbers. Any color can be given for the outline. By changing the points, we can draw different lines. For a resolution of 640 into 480, the coordinates at the top of the screen are 0, 0 and 640, 0. At the bottom is 0, 480 and 640, 480. Example. Next, box command. Line has another special feature. It can draw boxes too. If a box needs to be drawn, write B after the line command. It draws a long green box in the screen, provided only the outline of a box. If the command is BF, it draws a solid box filled with colors. In this case, it would be a solid green box. Circle command. A circle needs at least 4 parameters: an X, Y, radius and color. A circle is drawn in the screen and green color as outline. Draw command. Draw command is used to draw complex shape. It should be provided with an input string of values to specify the direction in which the shape has to be drawn. String of value. Small commands to specify direction. Given below are the values that can be used within the string in a draw command. N refers to the number of pixels to draw in the specified direction. The above command instructs to go right from the present position by 50 pixels and then go down for 50 pixels, then left for 50, then up for 50, drawing a square. Preset command. There is an imaginary pointer in the upper left corner of the screen. This pointer has the coordinate 0, 0. This is the default position. The position of this pointer can be shifted using the preset command. Preset command is the short form of pointer set. This command is helpful for the draw command. Preset command tells from which position the drawing has to start. If there is no preset command before the draw command, then drawing starts from the default position 0, 0. The position the pointer at the bottom right corner the command is. This will take the pointer back to the upper left again. Preset makes a dot on the screen at the point to instruct it to go. Create sound in QB64. There are few ways of creating sound and music in QBasic. The first command is beep. Beep just beeps and is used as an alert. Next is sound command. Sound command plays a frequency for a specified duration. Frequency ranges from 37 to 32767 and duration from 0 to 65535. In this statement, frequency is 500 and duration is 3. It will produce a note at a frequency of 500 Hz for duration of 2 system clock ticks, that is clock ticks used by the processor of the computer. The speed of the processor determines the duration in second of each clock tick. Now do the book exercise. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash is basic highest resolution screen. It is screen 12, SCREEN, screen 12. A dash needs at least 4 parameters and XY radius and color. It is circle, CIRCLE. Third one, the dash command is used to change the color of the text or graphics. That is color, COLOR, color. Dash is the short form of picture element. That is pixel, PIXEL, pixel. Specifies the direction to draw. It is draw command, DRAW, draw, COMMAND, command. Makes a dot on the screen. That is pset, PSET, pset. Used as an alert sound. That is beep, BEEP, beep. Needs 4 parameters to draw. Circle command, CIRCLE, circle, COMMAND, command. The command that can be used to draw box with B at the end is line. Tick the B1. Sound command plays a dash for a specified duration, B1's frequency. To draw solid box, write dash after the color in the line command. That is BF, C1. Now answer the following questions you have to do in your notebook. First one, name any 4 graphic commands. The 4 graphic commands are screen, color, line, box. This is answer number 1. Answer number 2, define the term resolution. Open page number 52. The amount of pixel in a picture determines its resolution of display. High resolution means more number of pixels per inch. Basic provide different screen modes based on the desired resolution. It is answer number 2. Question 3, what is the screen command used for? Open page number 58. A computer monitor or a TV screen is made up of small dots of color called pixels. The amount of pixel in a picture determines the resolution of display. This is answer number 3. Answer number 4. Question, what is the difference between B and BF operation in a line command? Open page number 55. For the B1 you will write, line has another special feature, it can draw boxes too. If a box needs to be drawn with B after the line command. And for BF you will write, it draws a long green box in the screen provided only the outline of the box. If the command is BF, it draws a solid box filled with colors. This is answer number 4. Answer 5. Explain the line and circle command with an example for each. Open page number 54 and 56. 54. Line command. From here, this command must have a straight point and an ending point. It needs to set of numbers. Any colors can be given for the line. Example, you have to write this whole. Then 56 page number, circle command. A circle needs at least 4 parameters, an x, y radius and circle. Then a circle is drawn in the screen with the green color as outline. Then write the example. These are the question answers you have to complete in your notebook and the book exercise in the textbook only. Thank you.